The museum and archaeological site of Cueva Pintada. It will amaze you. Our historical heritage has witnessed events that were actually experienced in the past by real human beings. This is why it plays such an undeniably major role in our individual and collective memory. For those who live in such surroundings, their ability to evoke the past is even more important than their beauty or their technical aspects. In fact, it is their greatest power. So when such places disappear, our memories fall apart, and so do we. To safeguard these memories and return this outstanding historical reference to the society it belongs to, the Cabildo of Gran Canaria has backed the creation of the Cueva Pintada Archaeological Museum. A state-of-the-art museum combining scientific attention to detail with culture and enjoyment, creating a one-off experience that's surprising, exciting, and unique. Get involved in the life of a village and its traditions. The endless stories of the men and women who live there, their hopes, wishes and dreams, their disappointments and their suffering, their courage and their fear. Take a journey into the past and meet the people who live there. Go up to them, ask them questions, and draw your own conclusions. All you have to do is relax and enjoy and find out everything you've always wanted to know about the history of Gran Canaria. If you close your eyes and let yourself be guided, your journey will be full of surprises and emotions. Almost without realizing it, you will end up thinking hard about everything you see, hear, and feel. We know that curiosity, the driving force of knowledge, will lead you into the past, so the people who built and lived in the Cueva Pintada can talk to you about those times and about their own lives and feelings. Let them tell you about their origins, their beliefs and their customs. Let them show you their bravery as they fought the Castilian army, the most powerful army of the time, and how, at the very last moment, they shone brighter than ever before. We want you to see and feel the heartbeat of this proud people, to finally get to know the men and women of the ancient Canary people. Don't wait for someone else to tell you. Come and see for yourself. Come and feel it for yourself. The museum and archaeological site of Cueva Pintada. It will amaze you.